Hello everyone, my name is Tsem Rinpoche and I'm originally from Ganden Shatse Monastery. Today I'm going to do the short sadhana or the short prayer to Dorje Shugden, which takes about 20 minutes, and this is something we can do every single day. I have a beautiful shrine here set up for your convenience. In the center there's the king of the Shakyas, Buddha Shakyamuni himself. On the left, the great saint, Mahasiddha and reformer, Lord Tsongkhapa. On the right is the tantric master and the very kind master that brought Buddhism to Tibet, Guru Pedma Sambhava. And in the center, we have the wisdom protector, Manjushri Dorje Shugden. His name is Dorje Shugden, but I like to call him Manjushri Dorje Shugden because Kyabje Sorumchi, Kensur Jamba Yishi Rinpoche, Gen Nyima Rinpoche of Ganden Changse, and many other lamas have told me his nature is Manjushri. So I like to call him Manjushri Dorje Shugden. And in front here you see one set of sensory offerings. Sensory offerings are offerings for the 5 senses: taste, touch, smell, sight, hearing. The 5 senses here. Then we have simple water offerings. This is something that we can set up every single day at our home when we do this sadhana, if it is convenient. If it is not convenient for you to do this at home, then you do whatever you can, the best that you can. I already have a blog post on this that you can read to get more information that will be posted below the live transmission, pinned at the top. All right? So today what I'm going to do is a short sadhana of Dorje Shugden. This is an altar to Dorje Shugden, but the principal person we take refuge in is Dorje Shugden, is Shakyamuni Buddha. The principal person we take refuge in is Shakyamuni Buddha. Along with Tsongkhapa, Guru Rinpoche, Dorje Shugden is the Dharma protector. We pray to Shakyamuni Buddha, Lama Tsongkhapa, and Guru Rinpoche for transformation. We pray for transformation. We pray for reaching higher states of consciousness. We pray for bodhicitta, shunyata, and full enlightenment. To Dorje Shugden, we pray for removal of obstacles such as sickness, such as trying to get a job, financial issues. Sometimes we have occult interferences. Sometimes we're traveling and we need protection. Sometimes we have someone sick. Sometimes we know someone that's very depressed. Sometimes we have a pet that's not well. Maybe we have a pet that's passed away. Maybe we have a parent or a grandparent or a sibling or a friend that's passed away and we like to dedicate merits for them. So for Dorje Shugden, you can ask him to help in financial affairs, in occult interferences, in sickness, and also in traveling, protection, and things of the secular nature, things of the samsaric nature. Dorje Shugden is specifically emanated to help us with ordinary daily affairs, that we can solve the problems we have in daily ordinary affairs so that we can go to higher spiritual practice. We usually don't need to pray to Shakyamuni, Tsongkhapa, and Guru Rinpoche for small things. We should invoke upon their energy for the highest of the high, bodhicitta, shunyata, and enlightenment. So there are some prayer requests that's come in, and I'm going to read some names here. Some of you that I have not read your name does not mean you're not included. Dorje Shugden has wisdom and omniscience, and he will see everyone who has put in the request. I have Sophie Lin, and I have Liu Chi Koi, wishing for his parents to live long. E.C. Chia, requesting for Bradley's new overseas job posting to go smoothly, and for DS to always be with him. Parth Saxena, wishing for the rise of the 2 bodhicittas. Dan I Nin, pray for ZN's fast recovery from herpes zoster. And then we have Joni Lee, please a request for attaining some sort of financial help. Georgia Ho, to bless the new home and to live happily and peacefully in the home with successful career. Sharon Ong, for where there is no Dharma, let there be the Dharma. Where there is Dharma, to be stronger, and may all sentient beings reach enlightenment. For Marian Combrick, prayers in general. Erlina Wang, a request for financial assistance, attaining wealth. J.C. Lim, for more sales to go smoothly. For Ashley Tam, for her mother, her precious mother, Madam Chu Xiang, and brother-in-law Dwayne Rogers to swiftly recover, and may their treatments be effective. I really hope so. For Serena Boone in New York, to pray for her colleague, Thomas's mother, who's passed away yesterday. May Thomas's mother have a very excellent rebirth. For Cindy Fu Yat-Sin, to focus more on the Dharma this year. Cindy, I hope you will focus more on the Dharma this year, because that will be the best step you've ever done in your life. For Ying Ping, for everyone to have healthy, long life and to continue to turn the wheel of Dharma, learn the Dharma, share the Dharma with everyone. Tata Ong, to request prayers for the family and for herself and for financial aid. For Wesley Chiang, requesting obstacles to be removed for a successful career. Blessings for his youngest son, Chang Hong Ji, to remove difficulty in learning and to be healthy. Serena, again, to pray for a friend to be strong during challenges. For Celeste Law, for the Dharma seed in the daughter Fraulein to open, that she may be able to understand, practice the Dharma, and be blessed with wisdom. And may her daughter, her beloved daughter Fraulein, have the affinity to be connected with Dorje Shugden and Dharma. Celeste Law, gently teach your daughter the Dharma and show her by your example how the Dharma transforms your life and transforms your mind. This will be the best teacher for your daughter Fraulein, but I will pray for her. For Pastor Lim Hani, for all beings to be connected to Dharma, and pray for the family and for health. For Carolyn SLC, may all cis obstacles be eliminated. For Mei Tan, for general blessings. Tenzin Jankar, for good health. Charles Kaw, Khaw, for all beings visible and invisible to be well. For Callista T. Francesca, may all beings be free of illness and have speedy recovery. For Ms. Se Fong Ho, for her daughter and her karmic creditors to find peace, happiness, and free of conflict. From Sophie Lin, for Mr. Wang from China, for his court case to be resolved smoothly. For Mr. Wang in China, it would be very good for him to recite Dorje Shugden's wealth mantra as much as possible, as soon as possible. If he does this, he will receive good news. For Wei Tang Liang, may all beings be free from suffering. From Shu Chang, for her singing bowl career to be more successful, and for the Dharma to grow. From Eric Ye, to please pray for Eric Ye's father-in-law, Mr. Joseph Ding, and that his court case will come to a good resolution. Mr. Eric Ye, please do Dorje Shugden's wrathful mantra 20,000 times as soon as possible and dedicate it to your father-in-law. For Sharon Ong, for Gary Fu and the family to be protected and free from interferences. From Jitin, pray for all projects in Kachar to be successful. From Sanjay Dorje, his name is Sanjay Tsering from Sikkim Gantok. For Sanjay Tsering and Sanjay Dorje for general prayers. From Ashley Tam, prayers for Miss Selena Lai and Miss Brawen Ng. Lo An Byung, May his family have strong affinity to Dorje Shugden and the Dharma. From Yingping, for Mr. Chow to have a good health. From Lo and Leong, may the family have good affinity to Dorje Shugden. From Mizelle Kwa, prayers for the family. From Sui Kyung, may Lama Tsongkhapa's lineage grow. So, I'm going to continue the prayers now. All of the people that I have not mentioned, keep writing in, and I will direct the protector to your requests. This is the daily sadhana for Dorje Shugden. I take refuge in the Guru, I take refuge in the Buddha, I take refuge in the Dharma, I take refuge in the Sangha. I take refuge in the Guru, I take refuge in the Buddha, I take refuge in the Dharma, I take refuge in the Sangha. I take refuge in the Guru, I take refuge in the Buddha, I take refuge in the Dharma, I take refuge in the Sangha. In the Buddha, Dharma, and Sangha, until enlightened, I seek refuge through giving other perfections to aid all, may I become a Buddha. In the Buddha, the Dharma, and Sangha, until enlightened, I seek refuge through giving in other perfections to aid all, may I become a Buddha. In the Buddha, Dharma, and Sangha, until enlightened, I seek refuge through giving other perfections to aid all, may I become a Buddha. May all sentient beings have happiness and the causes of happiness. May all sentient beings be free from suffering and the causes of suffering. May all sentient beings never be part of happiness and free from suffering. May all sentient beings abide in equanimity, free from bias, attachment, and aversion. Thinking like that, praise the fully enlightened, the perfect sage, the one predicted to change all sentient beings and put them on the path to enlightenment. Praise the Buddha Shakyamuni. O Blessed One, Shakyamuni Buddha, precious treasure, compassion, bestower of supreme inner peace. You who love all beings without exception are the source of happiness and goodness, and you guide us to the liberating path. Your body is a wish-fulfilling jewel, your speech is a supreme purifying nectar, and your mind is refuge for all beings. With folded hands I turn to you, supreme unchanging friend. I request from the depths of my heart, please give me the light of your wisdom, to dispel the darkness of my mind and to heal my mental continuum. Please nourish me with your goodness, that I in turn may nourish all beings with unceasing banquet of delight. Through your compassion, through your compassionate intention, your blessings and virtuous deeds, and my strong wish to rely upon you, may all suffering quickly cease and all happiness and joy be fulfilled. And may holy Dharma flourish forevermore. With the prayer to Shakyamuni requesting blessings finished, recite the mantra 7 times or more if you have time on a daily basis. Om Mani Mani Ma Mani Shakyamuni Soha. 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 Om Ma'a Guru Mezzadara. Then the next one we can do is Lama Tsongkhapa's mantra to invoke his blessings. Om Ma'a Guru Mezzadara Sumati Kiza Siddhi Hong Hong. Om Ma'a Guru Mezzadara Sumati Kiza Siddhi Hong Hong. Om Ma'a Guru Mezzadara Sumati Kiza Siddhi Hong Hong. Om Ma'a Guru Mezzadara Sumati Kiza Siddhi Hong Hong. Om Ma'a Guru Mezzadara Sumati Kiza Siddhi Hong Hong. Om Ma'a Guru Mezzadara Sumati Kiza Siddhi Hong Hong. Guru Rinpoche's mantra to invoke him to bless us and to reach higher attainments. Om Ahom Benza Guru Padma Siddhi Hom. 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 Then we bless the offerings here. As you can see in Malaysia here, it's starting to become evening and cooler and nighttime, which is just as nice. We bless the offerings here to offer to the Buddhas with the cloud Dharani. Oma Namo Bhagavate Vajra or Benza. Oma Namo Bhagavate Benza Sawa Pamadane Tathagata Ariha Samya Sam Buddhaya Teyada Om Benza Benza Maha Benza Mahatecha Benza Mahabidya Benza Mahabodhichita Benza Mahabodhi Mando Pasam Kramana Benza Sawa Kama Avarane Vishudane Benza Soha. You can recite that once or 3 times. Oma Ahom, Oma Ahom, Oma Ahom. Now, we evoke Dorje Shugden. Home, before me, before myself as the Yidam deity, in the midst of a windswept dark red fire, on a terrifying magnificent lion, trampling enemies and obstructors on a lotus and a sun. is our supreme heart jewel Dhammapala, mighty Gyalchen Dorje Shugden, adorned with robes of a monk on his body, wearing the golden domed hat on his head, holding razor sword and enemy's heart in his hands, with a manner of delight towards the practitioner and a fierce expression which destroys enemies and obstructors. Enemies and obstructors referring to one's ego, hatred, desire, and anger. He is surrounded by an ocean-like host of retinue, such as Chief Attendant Kachamapo. Raise the light from my heart, invite from the natural sphere and the individual palaces wherever they abide. The wisdom beings who in one instant are invited and become inseparable with the commitment beings. Hum. With devotion, Lama Dorje Shugden, Lama Dorje Shugden, all these people on Facebook who has written in prayers, the ones I have read out and the ones I have not read out, please give them your blessings. According to their karma, please fulfill their wishes. Lama Dorje Shugden, for all the people who have written in for prayers on Facebook here, the people I have read out their names, and the people I have not read out, please in accordance with their karma, give them your blessings to fulfill their wishes. Give them your blessings to fulfill their wishes. May they be blessed, have peace, have fulfillment, have good livelihood. May the Dharma grow in their lives. May their friends, their pets, their loved ones, their environment be at peace. Also have long life. Also, for those who have passed away, may they have a very good rebirth. For those who are in the hospital now, who have requested prayers, may they experience healing. Lama Dorje Shugden, may they experience healing. May they experience healing. May they experience healing. Home. With devotion, I prostrate body, speech, and mind, and make offerings, both outer and inner, with flowers, incense, and light, perfume, food, and sacred substances. Collection of tormas, strong drinks, tea, buttered tsampa, milk, and yogurt. Actually arrange and mentally visualize filling the whole of space. Samaya substances, fulfillment substances, basal substances, and mantric substances. Outer, inner, and secret favorite visual objects and fragrant smoke offerings. With my offerings of these, filling space, O entourage, may you be satisfied and restore degenerated commitments. All of our mistaken actions of body, speech, and mind, which have contradicted the mind of the great Dhammapala, we confess from the heart, quickly purify them, and care for us with compassion like a mother for her child. This heartfelt exhortation of you, Supreme Deity, is to spread and increase the victorious Losang's tradition, to extend the life and dominion of the glorious Gurus, and to increase the study and practice of the communities of Sangha. Never be separated from me like a body in its shadow. May you dispel adverse conditions and obstructors without exception. Accomplish favorable conditions and desires as I wish, and protect and care for me without ever a break. Especially the time has come now to show directly your unobstructed might in quick, decisive, enlightened conduct. Of the four activities to swiftly accomplish our deepest heartfelt desires according to our wishes. The time has come to judge the truth in accordance with the law of causality. The time has come to clear the innocent of accusations. The time has come to protect the humble and those who are without a protector. The time has come to nurture Dharma practitioners. Like your children, in short, from now until attaining the essence of enlightenment, since we venerate you as the embodiment of the Guru and the protector, may you protect us uninterruptedly with your enlightened activity and watch over us during the 3 periods of the day and 3 periods of the night. Having made the special request, I make offerings to the protector Dhammapala Dorje Shugden for all the people whose requested prayers. May their wishes come true. Oma Dhammapala Mahadenza Benza Begawa Ruja Benzagula Sabari Wara Agum Pajin Pube Dube Aloge Gende Nubende Shada Patita Soha Oma Dhammapala Mahadenza Benza Begawa Ruja Benzagula Sabari Wara Oma Ahom. By just recollecting you for an instant, outer and inner obstructors are dispelled. O powerful 5 families of Gyalchen Shugden, bestow the 4 activities. To the Dhammapala and his entourage, I bow down. And I continue here with the mantra. May everyone who sent in prayers, and I will continue here. Stella Chang, for Mark Wilson to recover from his hip surgery. May Mark Wilson recover from his hip surgery quickly and perfectly. For Cynthia Ng Yi Chen, may all her family stay healthy and obstacles be pacified. Kei Jin, please pray for the career and health. Xiong Ng, for Ng Chen Xiong. For Stella Chang, for Mei Ang's mother and Fu Ling's mother's recovery from their illnesses. May they be recovered. From Cynthia, may Oshai, Sidney Berhad get more resources. May Oshai, Sidney Berhad get more resources. Get more resources. For Cindy Fu, may daughter Rachel Ho overcome her study and exam obstacles at Chinese University in Hong Kong. May Rachel Ho score well in a university in Hong Kong. For Wai Ming, may all conflicts on the earth be pacified, especially Syria, Yemen, Venezuela, China. May Kani Ong and Revati find good rebirth and dharma in future lives. May Kani Ong and Revati find good rebirth and dharma in future lives. Geshe Losam Namgyal student in Shanghai requests prayers for Geshe-la's long life. May Geshe Losam Namgyal have long life, excellent health, continue to turn the wheel of dharma. May Losam Namgyal in Shanghai have excellent health, long life, and continue to turn the wheel of dharma. Andrew Tan, please, everyone he requests be blessed. From Natalia Janjup Droma, may all beings be happy, loving, and have peace in their hearts. From Jerry Sito, may all beings be free from depression. Jerry Sito requests that all beings be free from depression. From JC Go, may her teacher and students all have great devotion and be stronger and stronger. El Wee, may sentient beings be happy. Georgia Ho, for her parents' health. Ying Ping, may Pastor Cha be recovered quickly. From Yen P. Chong, may everyone be in peace. From Pema Chile, may he be blessed. From Wei Ting, may Terence Das have effective treatments and speedy recovery. From Bat Kakan Gua, there's a request here in Chinese. I hope that his wishes come true. May he have good resources and good health. From Suzanne Teo, may Dorje Shugden's ban be lifted quickly. From Sophie Lim, may San from Guangzhou have a smooth career, good family, and family harmony. Dorje Shugden, please fulfill their wishes in accordance with their karma and benefit. Om Benza Wiki Bitanasaha, Om Benza Wiki Bitanasa, 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 Om Benza Wiki Bitanasa. I dedicate this supreme heartfelt prayer to the all-knowing celestial supreme protector Dorje Shugden, that I may quickly become a being of light, compassion, love, and enlightenment. Now we do the black tea for the protector. We'll have to visualize the black tea today. The black tea is on my main altar in my room. We'll visualize the black tea offered to the protector. Oma Ahom, Oma Ahom, Oma Ahom. O Gurus who rain down accumulations of excellence, fulfilling our own and others' purposes. And Yidams bestow all ordinary and supreme attainments. Through offering you this ambrosial drink which bestows bliss, may you, having partaken swiftly and spontaneously, accomplish our wishes. All hosts of heroes and dakinis of the three places, an ocean of powerful oath-bound Dharma protectors. Through offering you this ambrosial drink which bestows bliss, may you, having partaken swiftly and spontaneously, accomplish our wishes. And especially Supreme Sibbut Dharmapala, forcefully powerful, strict, and swift Dorje Shugden. Through offering you this ambrosial drink which bestows bliss, may you, having partaken swiftly and spontaneously, accomplish our wishes. And especially Supreme Sibbut Dharmapala, forcefully powerful, strict, and swift Dorje Shugden. Through offering you this ambrosial drink which bestows bliss, may you, having partaken swiftly and spontaneously, accomplish our wishes. And especially Supreme Super Dharmapala, forcefully powerful, strict, and swift Dorje Shugden. Through offering you this ambrosial drink which bestows bliss, may you, having partaken swiftly and spontaneously, accomplish our wishes. We can recite that 3 or 7 times. O 5 families who unobstructedly bestow infinite activities of peace, increase, power, and wrath. Through offering you this ambrosial drink which bestows bliss, may you, having partaken swiftly and spontaneously, accomplish our wishes. O 9 beautiful consorts, 8 guiding monks, and 10 fierce attendant young guardians, and so forth. Through offering you this ambrosial drink which bestows bliss, may you, having partaken swiftly and spontaneously, accomplish our wishes. Hri, especially principal guardian of the conqueror's teachings, Setrap Chen along with the entourage, to you, this golden drink replete with all one can wish for is offered. Never waver in your protection. You can recite that once, 3 times, 7 times, or more. Or extremely fierce Kachamapo, the strict attendant, executioner of those with degenerated samaya. Through offering you this ambrosial drink which bestows bliss, may you, having partaken swiftly and spontaneously, accomplish our wishes. This drink is of fully boiling sikkim I offer to Nangkabazin entourage, accepting, accomplish the yogi's intended purpose, as well as the inconceivable emanations and their emanations, attendant deities and demons who shake the 3,000 worlds. Through offering you this ambrosial drink which bestows bliss, may you, having partaken swiftly and spontaneously, accomplish our wishes. Through the force of this offering and exhortation, may you grant your activity throughout the 6 time periods, and without wavering, always protect me and care for me like a father for his son. And you hosts of wrathful attendants as well, remember your sworn oaths of promise to Lord Dunzin, and accomplish swiftly now without distraction whatever activities I have requested. At this point, we have finished the puja. A few more names have come in. Nikki from China prays for marriage problems to be resolved. I hope so. Elsie Toy, may Rashida be able to conceive. Morton Overland, long life to Tsem Rinpoche. Yang Ping, may Sim Keng Lee and family be blessed with health and peace. Norman So, to be blessed with health and long life in abundance and practice of the Bodhisattva path. CK Sia and family, pray for Guru's long life and always turn the Dharma wheel. Jason, may all sentient beings be free from suffering and gain affinity to Dorje Shugden. El Ui, Oi Eng Lee and family be well and happy. Obstacles cleared. Imun, may all beings be free from suffering. Hatsinta, may Dharma grow and all Kichara study groups grow. Li Feng Liao, please pray for the mother's long life. Jonathan Ma, pray for the family's health. Cham Dai Shang, may the Dharma practice grow and the parents be protected. C.S. Yong Ng, may Penang and Northern Malaysia people will understand the Dharma and Dorje Shugden. From Chu Noel, may the late mother, Madam Xiao Chu Miu, and the late father, Mr. Chu Boon Ji, swiftly take rebirth where there is Dharma and be a benefit to sentient beings. From Pinaki Duta, pray for the success of career and finance. So we will finish our puja here today with the dedication. May the precious body-mind, may it where unborn arise, where born never decline, but increase forevermore. Precious view of Shunyata, may it where unborn arise and where born never decline, but increase forevermore. Through this virtue, may I swiftly attain the Guru Buddha's state and place each and every being without exception to that state. May all be auspicious day and night. May all be auspicious. May auspiciousness increase both day and night, like the sun rising to its highest in the heavens. 3 jewels of refuge, please bless us. 3 jewels of refuge, please bestow attainments. May there be auspiciousness to the 3 jewels. And I'd like to dedicate also, may all beings here who have requested for prayers, may their wishes come true. May all those who have requested for prayers on Facebook here, may their wishes come true. May all those who have requested prayers on Facebook, may their wishes come true. Dorje Shugden. I also dedicate today's puja for the long life and the continued Dharma, wheel of turning of Dharma by His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama. May His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama live very long, continue to enjoy good health, and turn the wheel of Dharma. May His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama continue to enjoy good health, live very long, and turn the wheel of Dharma. May His Holiness Khebje Trijang Chokdru Rinpoche turn the wheel of Dharma further, live a very long life, enjoy excellent health, and may his family also experience the same. May His Holiness the Incarnation of Khebje Song Chokdru Rinpoche in Ganden Shatse have very long life, enjoy excellent health, and spread the Dharma even further than his previous incarnation, which was incredible. May the erudite Ganden Tripas have long life, Shapa and Janze churches experience excellent health and long life, and spread and turn the wheel of Dharma. May Ganden, Sarah, Drepong, Chashi Longpo, Amdo Chashi Kil, Gyutu and Gyume Tantric colleges all experience growth, increase of Sangha, increase of study, and may many erudite yeshis be produced. May Sha Ganden Monastery, Sepo Monastery experience increase in Sangha, increase in knowledge, produce many erudite yeshis to benefit others. Where there is no Dharma, let there be the Dharma. Where there is Dharma, let it be strong. Where there is a misunderstanding Dharma, may I take the responsibility to clear it without any fear. May all Kicharians, past, present, and future Kicharians experience long life, health, and happiness. May the sponsors of Kichara always be blessed, always be protected, always be watched by Dorje Shugden. May all those who are in Kichara now, and especially in Kichara Forest Retreat, who have dedicated their lives to spread the Dharma, may they experience extreme peace, high attainments, higher consciousness. May they always be protected and gain full enlightenment. Last but not least, may the great team that I work with, writers in Dukar Apartments, Manjushri Hill writers, and EF writers, all experience higher attainments, clearing of obstacles, purification of the body, and experience very high levels of realization in this life. May all beings that I pray for never be separated from Manjushri, Dorje Shugden. May they be blessed by Shakyamuni, Lama Tsongkhapa, and Guru Rinpoche. Gandhi dewe korwe shinkandir, penden dewe malu jungwene, chenen si wan tensen gyatso yi, shenbe siddhi badu tenju ji. Tonight, I have finished today's prayers. Because of the dedication, it's a little longer. Without the dedication, the daily prayer is about 20-25 minutes. Tonight at 11:30 Malaysian time, I will do another prayer and accept requests for prayers tonight at 11:30 p.m. Malaysian time. Thank you very much.